Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change camera angle in Skate 4. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just hit the options button on your controller, then hit X on Xbox or square on PlayStation in order to open menu. Select settings, select gameplay here. Now here on this window, by using LB RB on Xbox or L1 R1 on PlayStation, you can scroll through all these available tabs. We need to choose camera, and right here you will able to easily change the camera angle. Just adjust these values such as horizontal follow strength. You can go for vertical follow strength as well. You can increase or decrease field of view. You can also enable or disable maintain camera distance. You can increase this onboard camera offset. You can set this on high, which is camera framing. So this is exactly how you can change camera angle in Skate 4. And once you apply these settings, your camera angle should change just like this. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.